everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Love, and today we're going to dive into the one of the best tool also for productivity, which is the Google Calendar. Okay, so again, for you to be able to access your Google Calendar, go ahead and um, log in to your Gmail account right here, and then go to this tab wherein you can see the Google Apps, and then click on the calendar. You will be prompted with this screen right here. Okay, so as per Google Calendar, if you're like going to create what do you call this, if you're going to create an appointment. For example, your client has a seminar or training with MVA course at Surge Marketplace Tagaytay. Okay, and this task is from Monday, November 17th up until um, 21st, Friday. Okay, so that's how you do it, and then you can like add guests via, hold on, let me go ahead and tag myself right here, and some more other guests, like if you're going to have your trainer here or um, your constituents, then you can add their names in here. Okay, so that's how you add guests. Okay, and then you're gonna have to also find time, hold on. Okay, so for this particular training, or yeah, hold on, let me go ahead and go back. More options. Okay, so for this event, I'm gonna have to put on the location. For example, your client wants to meet at Search Tagaytay here, so you're just gonna have to search on the location of that one, or if you're going to do a Google Meet, then you're just gonna have to click on or paste on your Meet link here. Okay, so how you're going to do that is go to Meets, and then okay, so for example, you're going to start an instant meeting, or hold on, let me go ahead and allow this time. Let me go ahead and repeat that process. Sorry, I'm gonna have to put it on calendar. That's why I'm going to repeat the process. So meet, okay, and then create new meeting, create meeting for later. If you're the if you are the, what do you call this, the one who wants to create meetings with, so let's just go ahead and put on the link in there. Okay, hold on. Yeah, let's just go ahead and put on your link there. There you go. I just copy paste it, and then hold on, let me go ahead and double check this one. Yeah, I already have it, only this time, not this time. Okay, so there you have it. You're already gonna you're just gonna have to click on the join now, so that you can, you know, um, do the Zoom meet or the meet, um, online meeting. And then notifications, if you want to be notified via email, or like how many days, or um, like an hour before the meeting, then you can actually um, ask for this, set up these notifications. Okay, so priority, if you're going to prioritize your meetings, for example, this is going to be a whole day event. And okay, so I put on whole day event in here. So this is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so normally, since our client will be from abroad, or from the US, or Hawaii, or Australia, then you're gonna have to change the time here, the time zone. Okay, but since we're dealing with a Filipino client, so we'll just click on Philippines. Okay, and then time is there. Okay, so busy, of course, you're gonna be busy during the time, and then make it private for you to be able, especially if you're posting a Google link in here. So make it private so that you won't be bothered by the others who is just gonna, check on your calendar if you shared your calendar with them. And if this is for you to organize your calendar. So this is the tomato. I usually use this one for urgency, and then blueberry for the less urgent, and basil for the least, the task or um, meeting that I'll be having, or that my client will be having. So with this, for example, you're going to put on, well, for the description, this is a 5 hour training with Miss Eunice at Search Tagaytay with regards to your MVA enrollment, um, and some more details. 5 days face to face setup, 5 days virtual setup. Or if you want to put on something else, then you're just gonna have to edit this one, or modify this one. So with this, since we add guests earlier, so the guests here will be notified via email. So I am just going to remove myself, and technically just save that one. So this red um, line right here, if you click that one, then your event will be um, viewed here on the other side. Or sometimes it's, you know um, on the box itself. Okay, so like for example, we are going to um, create an appointment for, that's also for life coaching, right? So if, for example, you have an appointment for like for example this one, I had an appointment as a staffer. So normally when you received an email, okay, so this would be your, let me go ahead and check this one. Okay, so this will be your email, right? So it is stated there the time and the date, also as I've mentioned earlier, the um, Google Meet. Okay, so this is the link, the Google Meet link that they provided on for us to meet. And you're just gonna have to click on yes, and then it will automatically go into your calendar with the details that they sent. Also, as well as their link, your Google Meet link. Okay, so that's basically it. Hold on, let me go ahead and create another event. For example, you're going to have an upcoming schedule with on Friday 5th. You're We're going to create an appointment set up for a discovery call. Okay, and this will be more options. Let me go ahead and check on more options. This will be for 9 to 11 a.m. on December 5th. Time zone is the same, Philippines, but always take note of this time zone because normally, well, we do have different time zones, right? So if you clicked on the time zone for let's say, for example, your client is on um, hold on, Amsterdam. So you're gonna have to click on Central European Time, Amsterdam. So let's go ahead and check on that one. And alright, so it will prompt on your client in Amsterdam that you will be having a meeting at 9 o'clock Amsterdam time or Central European time. Okay, so also for the Google Meet, you're gonna have to just click on the Google Meet link here. For example, this one. You're going to click on the Google Meet link here. Set notifications via email or via a notification on your Google calendar. Also set on your priorities on how urgent that is. Okay, and then meeting with a client, um, hold on, with Mr. Ace with regards to your application for staffer position on, let's say, for example, search company. Okay, and then don't forget to add guests. Okay, so you're gonna have to add, like, um, what did I put here? Mr. Ace's email address here for him to be notified, like this one right here. This is what um, Mr. Ace is going to receive from you. Okay, so that's it. So again, I'm going to delete myself for me to be not to be able to receive an email. So again, the headings is a discovery call with Mr. Ace. So, oh, I didn't put on priority. So if you forgot the priority, oh, I did. More actions. Okay. So with this one, since you do have an invite link, so you're just gonna have to click on join with Google Meet, and there you have it. Oh, by the way, you remember the time earlier? The time is 9 to 11 a.m. But since your client or your um, yeah, since your client is in Amsterdam, then it changes the um, time zone. So you won't be confused of which time your meeting will be. Okay, so it's going to be 4 to 6 p.m. our time here in the Philippines. But um, if you're again going to meet here in the Philippines, then you're gonna have to check every time with what time zone you're in. Okay, so that your client or the one you're gonna send your email to will not be confused as well. So there you have it, 9 to 11 p.m. Philippine time. Okay, so that's basically it. Hold on, let me go ahead and check if I missed out anything. Okay, so oh yeah, also for your booking pages, I think I don't have to tackle this one anymore. For my calendars, I'm also putting on like birthdays and tasks. So holidays in the Philippines as well. Or if you want to put on another calendar or subscribe to someone else's calendar, then you can also click this subscribe button right here. And I don't know how. Hold on. Okay. Oh, like this one. Create event, task, and appointment schedules. So that's it for today's tutorial. So we have covered everything you need to start mastering Google's Calendar for from basic all the way to a pro level of productivity features. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials and productivity tips. So comment down below if you want to walk through for Google Drive, Gmail organizations, and any other tool. Once again, thank you for watching and see you on the next vlog. Bye!